Welcome back, guys and girls. Today we're doing some more work on the old Walden loader. We're having problems with the rear axle. There's too much slop in the pinion gear, and unfortunately they did not leave us enough room in this equipment to pull the differential cover off, so we have to remove the axle. That's not the problem that this post is about, though. We're having trouble getting the lug nuts off the wheels. And so we have tried 1/2 inch impact, 3/4 inch impact, 4-way, good fitting 4-way with a cheater pipe on both sides, which actually literally just started twisting the metal. So we resorted to old tried and true, old timer method, the thermal wrench. So yeah, oh, and we also tried the 3-foot cheater, no worky, even with the cheater pipe on it. But this is what is working, and thankfully it works pretty easy. Take the torch, heat the lug nut for minute, 2 minutes. Put some oil on both the threads and where the taper is in the wheel. Go to the next lug nut. As you're heating it, about halfway through, put some more oil on the previous lug nut and just keep going round and round and round and round. And if you do that, they will come loose without breaking them off. I'm sure wherever this piece of equipment came from, they had a 3/4 or a 1-inch air impact. They put these on, they've been on there for decades. Anyway, I will heat one of these up and then we'll try it. You just want to heat these enough to cause the nut to expand slightly, which breaks the rust bond. Not so much that the nut is red hot, because you're softening the nut then. Also, what the heat does, when you put the oil on, it actually pulls that oil back into the threads of the nut and the bolt. That's probably good enough. We'll put a little bit of oil in there, a little bit of oil in the back, just a little bit. Okay. Now, we will put the cheater on. See if I can do this one-handed. And there she goes. Some of them, they still pop and crack when you're taking them loose. But there you go, guys and girls. If all else fails, get the old thermal wrench out. Thanks for watching.